In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable editing in PowerPoint when your file opens in protected view. If you've ever opened a PowerPoint presentation and noticed that you can't type, change text, or edit anything, don't worry, this is completely normal, and I'll walk you through the quick and easy fix step by step. Make sure you watch until the end so you understand why this happens and how to handle it safely in the future. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tips. All right, let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or by searching for PowerPoint in the Start menu on Windows or Spotlight on Mac. Once PowerPoint launches, you'll typically see the home screen with recent files and template options. Next, click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the Backstage view, where you can manage your files and settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Open. This section allows you to access presentations saved on your computer, OneDrive, or other connected locations. After clicking Open, select Browse. This option lets you manually search your computer for the specific PowerPoint file you want to open. In the Open window that appears, navigate to the folder where your presentation is saved. Click once on the file to select it. Then click the Open button in the bottom right corner of the window. Now, here's the important part. If your file was downloaded from the internet, received as an email attachment, or opened from an external source, PowerPoint may open it in something called Protected View. When this happens, you'll see a yellow bar near the top of the screen with a message saying the file is in Protected View. Protected View is a security feature designed to keep your computer safe. It prevents potentially harmful files from making changes to your system. While this is great for security, it also means you won't be able to edit the presentation right away. To enable editing, simply look at that yellow notification bar and click the button that says Enable Editing. As soon as you click Enable Editing, the yellow bar will disappear, and you'll now have full access to modify the presentation. You can edit text, move slides, insert images, change designs, and make any other updates you need. If you don't see the Enable Editing button, double-check that the file actually opened in Protected View. In most cases, the button appears automatically when editing is restricted. It's important to only enable editing if you trust the source of the file. If the presentation came from someone you know or a reliable website, it's generally safe to proceed. However, if you're unsure about the source, it's best to scan the file with antivirus software before enabling editing. And that's it. That's how you enable editing in PowerPoint quickly and safely. Now you know exactly what to do whenever a presentation opens in Protected View. Just go to File, click Open, choose Browse, select your file, click Open, and if needed, click Enable Editing at the top. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.